I didn't even see Jack and Wise in there.
Data just coming in. Your thunderstorm warning for Jack and Wise County until 7:45. Your thunderstorms are located along the line from near Nocona back to Windport, moving southeast at about 20 miles per hour. These storms may contain large hail and damaging winds. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Jack and Wise County until 7:45. All North Texas cities affected by this alert are expected to relay the preceding message. We get back into the WDC Weather Center. This is part of the...
Yeah, I didn't see the one for Jack and Wise. Oh, that was immediate coverage.
I would say tornadoes possible. And again, this is all system, so we're getting multiple persistent indications of at least some midfield rotation in this storm that is approaching Auburn right now. There's a big cluster of very heavy thunderstorms descending over Pilot Point down to Aubrey, and we're looking at two distinct areas of rotation, and it's been not exactly off and on, but stronger and weaker over the last probably 15 minutes or so. And Joseph, those thunderstorm warnings will be for 1 hour for until 9 o'clock for Collin and Benton counties, as far as you're concerned, and then we'll add Cook and Grayson counties as well. We're looking on the U.S. And yes, absolutely. So there's thunderstorm warning tornadoes possible. Okay, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's hit the tones. Programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton, northwestern Collin, southeastern Cook, and southwestern Grayson counties until 9 p.m. The severe thunderstorm is located near Sanger, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour with golf ball-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. This storm also has been tagged tornado possible. Tornado possible. We've been watching at least two distinct areas of rotation on the southwest flank of this area of thunderstorms. Locations in the path of these storms include McKinney, Denton, Sanger, Little Elm, Crossroads, Ray Roberts, Park Johnson Branch, Tioga Valley View, and Lincoln Park and the Providence area. Also portions of I-35 between mile markers 475 and 487. You need to take shelter at this time. Tornado would not be visible in this type of storm at this time of night. And again, on radar, we are noticing two distinct areas of rotation that have now crossed to the east of Interstate 35. Again, severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible for northeastern Denton, northwestern Collin, southeastern Cook, and southwestern Grayson counties until 9 p.m.
And another one just got issued.
Stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Yeah, another one issued. They're going to have to follow this one up.
And just a quick radar update from the WBAP Weather Center. We have two areas of storm we're keeping track of, and we'll have more coming up with Mickey Briggs at the top of the hour. But the most intense cluster of thunderstorms is around Aubrey and Pilot Point, still showing two distinct areas of rotation. And that's about ready to cross near Aubrey, right between, on 377, between Aubrey and Pilot Point. Back to the west, the northwest, from Munster down to Alvord, Chico, and Wise County, just north of Lake Bridgeport. There's another broken line of thunderstorms, and Wise and Jack counties are under severe thunderstorm warnings now until 8 o'clock. And new warnings will also be issued for Cook, Denton, and Grayson, and Montague, and Wise counties. Yeah, they'll be extending those until 8:30. Severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible, northeastern Denton, northwestern Collin County, and additional severe thunderstorms are back to the northwest in both Jack and Wise counties. Live from the WBAP Weather Center, meteorologist Brad Lowe.
This report is sponsored by Mattress Firm. Bags under your eyes? That's junk sleep. And Mattress Firm can help. Set the Black Friday sale and save up to $500 on top-rated brands you'll love, like Sleepy's. Plus, they're the mattress of your dreams with a free adjustable base with qualifying purchase.
Medicare enrollment has started, but I'm here to let you in on a little secret. It doesn't have to be complicated. Lambo here, when you call the health guys at 8775-SIMPLE, you're going to pay the exact same rate as you would navigating,
They didn't even
confusing
tone the
enrollment
previous SVR. This one, right here. That includes Jack and Wise, which they toned this one for Jack and Wise. So,
that's all it takes. And if you don't qualify for Medicare yet, Health Guys, 24/7 News Center.
ClassicChevrolet.com, WBAP first traffic and weather on the road.
We do have an accident blocking the right lane on 20 westbound at Hemphill Street. Also, an accident has the exit side up on 35W southbound at Farm. We now go to the WBAP Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton.
Thank you, Vicki, and we're going to alert our other stations in the area on WBAP for new severe thunderstorm warnings coming out at 8:01.
finally. So I get this sweet advertisement monies.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for portions of Montague, Wise, Denton, Jack, Cook, and Grayson County until 8:30. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from near Sackville, Oklahoma, down to near Chico, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These storms have also produced areas of mid-level rotation and suspicion of tornadic activity, which is not confirmed at this time. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings for Montague, Wise, Denton, Jack, Cook, and Grayson counties until 8:30 p.m. and additional severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect for portions of Denton and Collin counties. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And a quick radar update, especially on the storms we're most concerned about there right now.
I'm Mickey Briggs from the Preservation Tree Services, WBAP 24/7 News Desk. We spoke with the Denton County Sheriff's Department. They said they have reports of ping-pong-sized hail moving to Aubrey. Severe weather is moving through that area. I think we'll forego the traffic report, and we now will go live to the WBAP Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton.
All right, thank you, Mickey. We have new warnings to activate for Denton, Jack, and Wise County, so stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. Interrupt programming is requested the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Wise County, Denton County, and eastern Jack County until 9 o'clock. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from near Crooklyn, near Jacksboro, and southeast at 40 miles per hour. Storms may contain 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Once again, no thunderstorm warnings have been issued for Wise, Denton, and eastern Jack County until 9 o'clock. The thunderstorms extending from near Crooklyn, west of Denton, down to near Jacksboro, and southeast at 40 miles per hour. Additional severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect for northeastern Denton County and northwestern Collin County, for a storm that has shown some persistent broad rotation in it and larger scale. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Okay, and a quick radar update. The storm that we've been missing.
That's WKPLX FM, HD2, Fort Worth.
A Cumulus media station, 99 years serving DFW.
Trending now.
Trending now on WBAP and WBAP.com.
We do have severe weather moving into the Metroplex. I'm Mickey Briggs from the Preservation Tree Services WBAP 24/7 News Desk. We are going to forego the traffic report and go now live to the WBAP Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton.
All right, Mickey, thank you. New severe thunderstorm warnings are being issued for most of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So stand by as we alert our other stations in the area here on WBAP.
This is a big one.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for the following counties: Rockwall County, southwestern Hunt, southern Wise County, Denton County, northeastern Comfort County, Tarrant County, Collin, and Dallas County until 10 p.m. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from near Anna, north of McKinney, down to near Boonville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing at least 65 mile per hour winds and penny-sized hail or larger. There were other reports of golf ball, ping pong ball sized hail in portions of western Denton County within the past hour. The storm also has produced some rotation in portions of eastern Denton County and northwestern Collin County, but no tornado warnings have been issued up to this time. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings now activated for Rockwall, Hunt, Wise, Denton, Comfort, Tarrant, Collin, and Dallas counties until 10 p.m. Severe thunderstorm watch warnings in effect until 1 a.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Two big clusters of thunderstorms. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dallas County until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm located near Cockrell Hill, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The storm may yet contain quarter-sized hail, 50 to 60 mile per hour winds. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southwestern Dallas County until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm near Cockrell Hill, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. And just a quick radar update here at 9 minutes after 10 o'clock.